Evolution and Impact of Artificial Intelligence by Hongbo Zhou, Jeremy Lin, Gavin Lee, and Michael Jung. And this is our slide on research on AI developments. So regarding the current state of AI, as of February 2024, Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro can run up to 1 million tokens consistently for a limited group of developers and enterprise customers. And this is the greatest amount of tokens compared to other large language models from competitors such as Meta and other like companies. And a standard 128,000 context window is available to the general public. So while most people can't really use 1 million tokens, the technology is out there. And according to their February blog post, Google has been developing optimizations to reduce computational requirements, latency, and improve the user experience. So they've been steadily developing their AI or large language model technology. But it's not without flaws. For example, it suggested users to eat rocks in one of their responses. And another new current event is that Apple and OpenAI have been in talks to bringing ChatGPT to iOS 18, and Apple is having their conference in a couple of days. And Google's large language model uses transformer and mixture of experts neural network architectures, and they have announced that they're working on optimizing the architecture they have and developing new architectures. And continuing with the current state of AI, the State of AI report in 2023 reported that GPT-4 beats other LLMs on benchmarks and exams such as the Uniform Bar Exam, which is the American bar exam for lawyers. It passed or it scored in the 90th percentile in 2023, which means that it was better than or it was in the top 10%. And NVIDIA, which produces GPUs or graphics processing units, has reported record profits and is the third most valuable corporation in the world. They create GPUs and chip systems, which are vital for maintaining AI as they require a lot of computations and processing. And according to McKinsey, which is like a capitalist or like VC firm, the most common reported use of generative AI, such as ChatGPT and DALL-E, are in marketing and product service development and service operations. For example, people in those fields use them to create first draft of text documents, summarizing text, and identifying trends in data. However, generative AI has the following related risks: inaccuracy, cybersecurity, intellectual property infringement, regulatory compliance, and privacy. These are all issues that kind of arise with this technology, and people have been in talks into bringing new legislation. And the Stanford Institute for Human-Centered Artificial Intelligence reported that LLMs are very expensive to train. For example, GPT-4 costed $100 million, while GPT-3 costed roughly $1 million. So there's an exponential like rise in cost of training them. And they also are kind of environmentally not friendly. For example, GPT-3 emitted 502 tons of carbon dioxide, which is greater than, for example, one Google search. And 127 countries have passed 37 unique laws regarding AI. And this section will be taken over by Hongbo.
Okay. Uh, from a big models to general AI, in 2023, ChatGPT developer OpenAI was put in the spotlight as never before, and the development of subsequent versions of GPT-4 was also pushed to the forefront. According to the source, OpenAI is training the next generation of AI temporally really named Q, which is Q star. In the new years, OpenAI's next generation of products may be released. Synthetic data breaks the bottleneck of AI training data. The data bottleneck refers to the limited high-quality data available for training AI, and synthetic data is expected to break these bottlenecks. Quantum computers may be first used in AI as the most cutting-edge application of electronic computers to date. AI has always had the hidden worry of insufficient computing power. A few months after ChatGPT came out, OpenAI presents Altman publicly states that he did not encourage more users to register with OpenAI. In 2023, OpenAI even announced the suppression of new registration for GPT Plus paid subscription to ensure that existing users have a high quality experience. Then for major tech companies and competition, there are 741 companies in AI field, which including Facebook, OpenAI, Meta AI, NVIDIA, some else. The major companies the major companies developing automated driving technologies, including Tesla, Waymo, Zhou, and Baidu. NVIDIA is the largest supplier of graphics processing units, which is GPU, and chip system, which are vital for LLM and AI. And also AMD and Intel are competitors against NVIDIA's.
And I'll continue with, oh, sorry. This is your section, Hongbo.
No, no,
OpenAI.
no, it's your section.
Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah, OpenAI. OpenAI specializes in developing general purpose AI systems, particularly in the natural language processing and reinforcement learning areas. And they're known for its language models such as GPT-3 and GPT-4, and other generative AI systems include GPT-3, Codex, DALL-E, and ChatGPT. GPT-3 and GPT-4 are considered among the most advanced natural language processing, sorry about that, processing systems. Yeah, and they're continuously publishing new and influential research papers and contributing to the AI community. They offer APIs that allow developers to integrate advanced AI capabilities into their applications. Like, for example, corporations such as Twitter or X charge users for their API. I'm not sure how OpenAI goes about that, but they've been sharing their new technology and they've been actively working on AI safety and ethics, ensuring that AI is used responsibly. For example, like voice can be recreated using AI, which can lead to scams. And like fake news can be created with deepfakes, and they've been working on like guidelines for that. However, there are high operational costs and significant energy consumption for training large models. Like this raises the question, do we need a large language model for something, or can we use a simple algorithm or like a program that doesn't require so much data and training? And the next slide is on Google. Google has their own large language model called Gemini, or previously known as Bard, and they announced that Gemini 1.5 Pro can have 1 million tokens consistently, which was mentioned in the previous slides. However, like I didn't explain what tokens are. So basically, tokens are units of data or processed by LLMs, such as characters, words, images, videos, audio, and code. So any type of input you can give to the AI. And having a larger amount of tokens means that the AI can retrieve more information when creating a response. And these are called context windows. And Gemini 1.5 Pro can process 1 hour of video, 11 hours of audio, 30,000 lines of code, or more than 700,000 words in a given prompt. And Hongbo will continue with Meta AI.
To many people, the launch of ChatGPT signified a seismic shift in AI. However, Meta isn't just watching from the sidelines. They've ramped up their presence in the AI area by releasing a slew of powerful models, directly challenge to OpenAI, the brain behind of ChatGPT. What sets Llama apart is its open source nature. Developers can freely download and use it without needing an external server, a license, or any payment. This open access is a game changer, empowering people globally to innovate and conduct research with an advanced AI language model. So we can see here the first point is it's open source. This is important. It's free. Everyone can use it. He also has other characteristics such as controllability, community support, effectiveness. Uh, In September 2023, they published Meta AI. This future assistance integrate into the search functionalities of major platforms like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Messenger, making it easier for users to get answer to their expectations. Next
Oh,
page.
yeah.
Uh, But to truly match or even overstep ChatGPT, Meta AI needs something stronger. Enter the Llama model series. The latest Llama 3 was launched on April of 2024. It comes in two flavors. The Llama 3 8B. 8B means 8 billion parameters. And the stronger is Llama 3 70B with 70 billions parameters. In this picture, we can see the comparison between Meta 3 and the other AI models, which is far ahead in in open source. Now let's discuss the impact of AI on various fields. Next page. Firstly, let's look at medical impacts. AI AI can assist provider in a variety of patient care and intelligent health system. AI techniques ranging from machine learning to deep learning are popular in healthcare for disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and patient risk identification. Many med many medical data sources are required to perfectly diagnose disease using AI techniques.